Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey until 12:30 a.m. At 8:29 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Dover, Hopatcong, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Kinlaw, Wilson, Butler, Woodland, Rockaway, Morris Plains, Mount Arlington, and Mountain Lakes. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 26 and 48. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 39 and 53. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Inventory no hazards of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.